Hey everyone, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In this video, I'll show you how to schedule an automatic shutdown on Windows 11 for your PC or laptop. First, click on Search at the bottom, type Task Scheduler, and open it. On the right side, click Create Basic Task. Give it a name, for example, Shutdown, then click Next. Choose one time, then click Next. Now select the date and time when you want your PC to shut down. Select Start a Program, then click Next. In the Program/Script box, type Shutdown. In Add Arguments, type /s/f/t 0-inch. Click Next, then Finish. That's it. Your Windows 11 PC will automatically shut down at the time you selected. And that's how you auto-shut down a Windows 11 PC or laptop. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and check out more quick Windows tips on 1 Minute IT Shot. Thanks for watching.